Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain to you how you can repair your keyboard that have some dead keys or any MIDI keyboard. In this case I have a digital PCR M1. I'm in GarageBand. So let's see how you can repair that. So here we are. In this case we don't need to take these things out. Just turn it around. Take the screws that you have to take. So this is not a demo this particular model. So I already did the other ones. So I already did the other ones. Let's put it here. So don't lose your screws. Let's open it. So this model is so assembled. You don't need to take these things out. So what we have to go under the keypad. So I'm gonna take this thing out here. Unplug also this here. Then I have more place. So I'm gonna take these things now yet. Let's we get under the keypad. Check it. It's not the same. So let's take this part, this first part, before we get to the next ones. So I can. So I managed to get out. So the first one. Let's take the other one. The last one. So what we have to do, we have to go under these pads here. So you have to go under this bed. You can see what the problem is these contacts here. Under these pads there should be a contact thing that with the time got lost. Some people just do it on a pencil and they painted these things here, but honestly that doesn't work for me. That's what I'm gonna show you how I do it, how I repair. I already repaired some drum machines, Roland R5 or the Zoom, these pads. I also repair them with this method. That's what I'm about to show to you. So what I do is you just take a normal kitchen aluminum, you cut a piece of it. Can make it bigger, small, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna cut something like this, and then I'm gonna take some glue. Very simple one. You can make it stronger. I make it like this. So I'm gonna rub here. If you do it in the paper, it will be better. Let's take a paper. And then we're gonna cut small pieces, very small, because we're gonna glue this to these contact points. Perhaps. So as demonstrating, I'm just gonna get 2 of them. It's now so I'm gonna take something like this to help me, and I'm gonna glue it all the contacts with something like this. Let it dry. Doesn't have to be pretty. So I just use this simple glue. You can do it stronger. So I'm gonna do everything, and then we came back to test it. So when I noticed that in this case the pads are so small, that's better direct with the glue in the pads. You just press the pads out and you put the glue direct in the pads, and you take your small pieces and you glue it directly, let it dry. The other way, you just put it back. So that's all what I already did. I'm gonna now, so that's how it look like. I'm gonna put it back and start it here off the other side. Of course, you can take everything out and make it outside. So I've done all. I'm gonna put together and we're gonna test it slowly. Let's press here off the side. Let's press here in the sides. So the last 2 ones are very difficult. I just use this to help me somehow. So here we are again. I put it all together. We are again in GarageBand, and let's see what I made. Hope this worked. So let's change. So and another one. So that's how I do it. I already repaired this one, and also this one. Yeah, with this pad also worked. Actually, it was the first time I did in the keyboard, and I think the best option is also to take all the strip out and put the aluminium, let it dry good, what I didn't do. But so hope that it was helpful. Like, subscribe, see you next time, and repair your old gear. And to show that works, here it is. So welcome. Let's record the sequence.